Spending hours scrolling through Excel rows just to find the right data? Let's change that. Imagine selecting a value from a simple drop-down list and instantly seeing the exact result you need. In today's video, I'll show you how to combine VLOOKUP with a drop-down list to automate your data search. Okay, let's jump right in. In column A, we have a list of product names. And in column C, their corresponding stock quantities. We'll use this data set to demonstrate how VLOOKUP works. To select a product dynamically, let's start by creating a drop-down list in cell E2. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Click Data Validation. In the dialog box, choose List as the validation criteria. For the source, select the range containing the product names in column A. Click OK to apply. Now, cell E2 has a searchable drop-down list. We can select any product from our inventory, making it easy to retrieve stock information using VLOOKUP. Let's connect our drop-down with the power of VLOOKUP. This is where the magic happens. In cell F2, enter this VLOOKUP formula. Here's how it works. E2 is the value selected from the drop-down. That's what we're looking up. This range is our lookup table. Make sure your data is organized with the lookup column on the left. 3 tells Excel to return the value from the third column of that table. False ensures we get an exact match only. Finally, press Enter. And just like that, your selected value pulls in the related information automatically. Now, choose any product from the drop-down. Excel will instantly fetch the correct information. That's the power of combining drop-downs with VLOOKUP. Want to make it more user-friendly? Wrap the formula with IFERROR function to show a clean message if nothing is selected. Press Enter and done. And that's it. You've just learned how to use VLOOKUP with a drop-down list in Excel, fast, clean, and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy Quick Learning for more quick and smart Excel tips. Thanks for watching.